You want to install Rockbox on your Y1? Here's how you can do it. Keep in mind this is a tutorial for Mac. You will need your innioasis Y1 player, a desktop or laptop computer, and a USB-C cable, in my case on both ends. You will also need to fully power off your Y1 before installing Rockbox. You can use a paperclip to press the reset button on the bottom. First, we're going to the official innioasis website, go to Software and Guides, Device Updates. Since I'm using Mac, I'm selecting the updater for that. We have to firstly install Homebrew if you don't already have it installed. It allows applications non-verified by Mac to install onto your computer. Download the file and double-click to install it. Following the steps is very easy. It will require your password. Install will take a few minutes. After installing, we will restart our computer. Now that we've restarted the computer, I'm going to download the file for the innioasis updater. Double-clicking it opens it like this, and you have to drag it into your applications folder. But when opening it from the applications folder, it might not want to open. Click the question mark in the corner, a guide will be opened, and we are going to click on privacy and security, which will open those settings for us. Scroll down until you can find the Open Anyway button and Open Anyway again. You will need your password or Touch ID for this, and now we can open the app. If you already had innioasis Updater installed, please make sure it's the newest version available. Inside the updater, choose Type A from the dropdown. On the left side, switch from the original firmware to Rockbox. Select the newest Rockbox version. Important to notice, if your Y1 came with the newest innioasis OS 3.07, you have to choose the newest Rockbox version 0.5, which is 360p resolution. My innioasis is still running OS 3.02, so I will choose to install an older version of Rockbox, which is 240p resolution. Either way, after selecting your Rockbox version, click Install and Restore. At first, the updater will download the files on your device. You don't have to plug in your Y1 yet. Once the download is finished, the updater will prompt you to connect to your Y1. At that point, make sure that your Y1 is powered off and connected using the USB-C cable. Your computer might take a moment to recognize the device, but once it does, click Allow and the installation should start automatically. When the installer tells you that the install is over, you should be able to turn on your Y1 and it should automatically open with Rockbox. Keep it connected to your computer and enable USB storage mode when prompted. This will allow you to transfer themes, and music actually, onto the device. Now let's download themes. Going back to the official website, we are going to click on Installing Rockbox, which will take us to the Rockbox guide. There you will find 3 links. Click on the fonts link, which will download a zip, and then depending on your Rockbox version, click on the corresponding link. So 240p if your Rockbox version is 240p, or 360p if your Rockbox version is 660p. If you choose the 240p link, this page will open and you can see the previews here. Click on download for the themes you like. The theme you guys were asking about is Body Pot. If you chose the 360p, you can download all themes and extract the zip. You can check their names on the website containing the 240p themes to see previews of them. Go to your downloaded theme zip files and extract them. After extracting, you'll see each is now in a folder called .rockbox. No Rockbox folder? It means it's hidden. You can press Command-Shift-period to see hidden folders. Open your Y1 storage on your computer and find the existing folder named .rockbox. Now copy everything inside the extracted theme folder into the Rockbox folder on the Y1. Don't forget to also drag and drop the fonts that you downloaded from the Rockbox installing guide. After the transfer finishes, make sure to eject the Y1 before disabling the USB storage mode on the device. Go to Settings, Themes, and select the theme you want to use. And that's how you install Rockbox and themes on the Y1. Thank you guys for watching, I hope this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any other questions.